how? First you get a plate, then a fork, and then you wait until I stab you in the eye with a spoon. And then you just eat. Then here's how you make a peanut butter sandwich. If you like jelly, good for you. I hate jelly. Here's how you make a peanut butter and only peanut butter sandwich. Okay, so here's how. You have to basically, all you have to do is get bread and peanut butter, and you spread it around. Now, here's how you make an idiot sandwich. You have bologna and raisins. First you place the bologna on like a circle, then you make a face out of the raisins that are sad. And then you dance and do the disco and start pooping at people's heads. You stop, you miserable little dog. Ow. Here's the guy. Louisiana shooting. Okay, so basically, here's how you make spaghetti. Because I don't think you'll have for lunchtime. You get noodles, sauce, and meatballs. No, not meatballs. Hey, what do you like, mister?
I like to go on the face.
Ow. Ow. Static, stop. Ow. Ow, save me. Ow. Jim, save me. Ow. Joe, save me. Joe. Save me.